Namaskar, my dear members of PNB Parivar. Today, we celebrate a milestone that marks a momentous journey spanning 127 years of unforgettable legacy. Since our inception in April 1895, we have successfully navigated through countless challenges which have only helped us strengthen our resolve and resilience. The boundless inspiration that we continue to draw from our founding father, the Punjab Kesari Lala Lajpat Rai, has always been a source of our strength. Our sustainability is attributed foremost to our committed and loyal workforce and also to the sound business fundamentals that continue to make brand PNB grow stronger. We have come a long way from offering just one product to a small client base from our first branch in April 1895 to serving a diversified portfolio of products to more than 18 crore customers from more than 36,000 customer touchpoints spread across the length and breadth of this great nation as well as in overseas lands. In this onward journey of ours, for the first time ever the bank has crossed the total business of 19.40 crores as on 31st March 2022. I urge all of you to continue the good work done and maintain this tempo. All of us together have to ensure that these figures are maintained and there is sustainable growth over the above these figures. PNB has redefined its commitment to digital transformation by regularly introducing a plethora of innovating offering for hassle-free banking services. Hence, today we also celebrate the launch of redefined trade finance portal, PNB 360 information portal, Ecolens magazine, ASBA through PNB One. Further, you all are aware of the corporate call for lead generation, and although these points have been shared earlier too, I would take this opportunity to once again call of all PNBians to provide at least 2 convertible housing loan leads at the earliest so as to get maximum income, promote our digital products like PNB One and internet banking so that we are able to offer an instant banking experience to maximum customers. I want to thank you, each one of you, for the selfless commitment exhibited during the challenging phase of the COVID-19. We as a family have shown resilience and worked tirelessly in spite of the pandemic to serve our customers, investors and all our other stakeholders. Today, as we step into the 128th year of the PNB growth journey, let us all pledge to showcase enhanced performance by integrating the motto "One Team, One Dream" with the fundamentals of our PNB family and forge ahead together towards national building and economic growth. Together we can achieve miracle and take our organization to the newer heights. My best wishes to all PNBians. धन्यवाद.